Hi guys, it's me Jesse. I'll be doing another review today. I'm actually gonna be reviewing three colors from Solotica. I was asked by one of my followers on Instagram to make this video, and I actually haven't thought about it until they asked me, and I don't know why I haven't done a comparison video. I only have three colors from Solotica because it's only three colors that I really like from their line. But I will be willing to maybe try some other ones. I just try to stick to the more natural looking colors. I try to avoid the turquoise or the blues and those crazy colors. Um, so I will be starting with the Mel. The Mel is more like a natural green tone, like a dark green tone. I don't know if you ever see people that have green eyes and they're kind of dark until they go in the sunlight, and then you realize their eyes are green. So Mel is portraying that, I guess, because it does look darker inside with indoor lighting, but once you're outside or you're in a bright room, you can really see the green. Alright, so with that being said, I would like to thank you guys for subscribing and following me on Instagram. And thanks for your comments and your feedback. And yeah, so actually, right now I'm not wearing any contacts. These are my natural eye color, in case you guys were wondering. It's a dark brown color. And I am recording from my iPhone 6 Plus because my last video actually got a lot of hits, and I think it's because of the quality. You're able to see it better, so hopefully this video works and it helps you make a decision. Another thing I wanted to say is that I did do a comparison video with Desio contacts, but their contacts irritated my eyes really bad, to the point where I would wear them to work and come home with like bloodshot eyes. So I've tried changing the solution. I've tried ordering new pairs. Just thought they were defective, but it just did that to my eyes. And I know some of you guys have said that Desio contacts did the same thing to you. So I don't know what's going on with that. I just avoided them completely. So anyways, I'll go put on the Mel and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have the Mel Natural Colors by Solotica on right now. So this is the green color that I was telling you. It is called Mel, and I think it might mean honey in some language, maybe in Portuguese or something. I don't know what you speak in Brazil, but yeah, they're actually like a green tone. So I will do a close-up here. Whoop. Let me move to the sun. So this is what I was saying, that once you go into the sunlight, then you can really see the green color. So let me just zoom in on here, give you guys a better look. Okay. And I know a lot of you guys ask me about if it's the new opacity or the new line that they carry. I have no idea how they change their colors or their lines, but all I can tell you guys is that I got these at the end of last year, at the end of 2014. So I don't know if they have any new colors, if it's darker or lighter, but I am really happy with this tone here. And I wear these only when I'm gonna be outdoors or somewhere where it's bright colors, just because I like to actually see the color. So I don't really wear these a lot, but it is a pretty green color, like natural looking. I would say I would wear these like to a place where they would tell me to take off my contacts, but I just sneak them on and be like, these are my natural eye color. Alright, so up next I'm gonna try Quartzo, and I'm gonna leave one on and one of the Quartzo, so you can see the difference between those in case you're deciding to get Mel or Quartzo. I know some people, actually when I got my first pair, I didn't want to get something too bright because I didn't want to be like crazy. So I was actually debating between Mel and Quartzo, and I went with Quartzo, and I was happy with that decision. And you'll see why in a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have Quartzo on and I have Mel on. So I think by now you can notice the difference between Quartzo and Mel. Quartzo is much brighter, it's much more noticeable, but the Mel is also noticeable now. So you can see that even though the Mel is darker, it's still a noticeable color. So let me do a close up on Quartzo here and Mel. So Mel and Quartzo in natural colors. Another question that you guys write a lot that I have no idea what it means. I do research when I buy contacts, but not intensive research like some of you guys might be doing. Because a lot of you ask me like what's the size of my eyeball and if it's like hydrocore or something like that. All I can tell you is that when I go to wrlens.com, I just click on the natural colors tab, and I only choose the natural colors options. And another thing I can tell you is that these all have a dark circle around them, and that's because I feel like I have small eyeballs, and I need that bigger circle to fill them in. So these all have that round circle. Plus, I think it makes them look more natural. So that's just my opinion. Alright, I'll be trying on both of the Quartzo now so you guys can see them. Thanks. Okay guys, these are the Quartzo natural colors by Solotica. So I have both of them on now, and you can see that it's a big difference from the Mel. So I don't know if you can go back on the video to the Mel color and now the Quartzo. So Quartzo is like a grayish, bluish, sometimes even green color, and I think it's because the way that it's made. When I take it off, you can actually see some like yellow pigment in there, and I think that's how it helps it like blend or change color, I would say. So here's a close-up. Oop, too dark. And once again, I am in natural lighting. I'm actually standing right next to my window with the sunlight coming in, and I'll show you guys. Let's see, there's the window. Just because, like I've said in my other videos, that a lot of these people that are reviewing them use lights and a lot of makeup, and sometimes even enhance the colors. So I just like to do them by regular or normal sunlight, so you guys can see the actual color. And sorry, my hand's in the way. It's because I'm holding my phone up and it's like starting to hurt my arm. Another thing I was gonna tell you guys is that okay, that was a car. Desio actually came up with a gray color now, and the funny thing is that if you guys look at their the model that's modeling the contacts, the model already has gray eyes. So she has gray bluish eyes, and they're putting the gray contact on top of it. So of course it's gonna look natural and beautiful, but you know, people that buy contacts don't usually already have colored eyes. So I mean, I could be wrong, but that wasn't my case. Anyways, the last color I'll be reviewing is Cristal in natural colors, and I'll go put those on. Just give you guys another closer look, because I know Quartzo is a really popular color. So so you guys can see. Alright, I'll be back. Actually, I forgot to leave a Quartzo on. Let me go back. Okay guys, sorry about that. I forgot to actually leave on the Quartzo so I can compare these two. Alright, so on my right side I have the Quartzo, and on my left side I have the Cristal and Natural colors. So very very close in color, but also very different. The Quartzo here looks more defined, kind of like more I don't know how to say it. You know, it's more defined. The Cristal tends to blend in more with your natural eye color, and that's why I think Cristal is my favorite color now. So just wanted to show you guys so you guys can compare, and I'll show you guys up close. Okay. There's Cristal and Quartzo. Okay, Cristal and Quartzo. Alright guys, and what's wrong with this? Oh, what's going on? Alright, so now I'm gonna put on both of the Cristal and I'll be done. Alright, so last but not least, the Cristal and Natural colors. Once again, this is my favorite color from Solotica's line. So yeah, I mean, it's very natural looking, and it is, I would say, like a bluish, almost gray, and some people have compared it to Desio's Innocent White color. But I wouldn't go that far to calling it that, so they're just very nice. I'm not a light skin complected, and I don't have you know, blonde hair, and people still give me compliments and ask me if it's my natural eye color. So if that's one of the questions, then I just answered it. I do get compliments. People do believe it's my eye color, and yeah. I also dyed my hair again. I actually added some dark to it. It was all blonde, and what I did this morning is, instead of doing like more blonde highlights, I actually did black highlights, or dark brown highlights. So it turned out into this. So I really like it. I'm actually happy with the results. My dogs are right here being impatient. I'll show you. They are. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for leaving comments, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of, you know, pictures on there, and I'm not asking for followers, I guess. I'm just saying, if you want to see the contacts and other pictures, go ahead and give me a follow. You can also send me a little comment letting me know that you watched these videos, if it was helpful. Anything else that you guys might want to see with the contacts, just let me know. Alright, my Instagram is Jessypix, and I'll leave the link here below. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.